A two-day training workshop is being hosted by the Pesticides and Toxic Chemicals Control Board to review and strengthen Guyana's management of chemicals and update the list of persistent organic pollutants.
At the opening of the workshop, held at Carroll Lodge Hotel, Registrar of the Pesticides and Toxic Chemicals Control Board, Tresha David Garnoth, noted the importance of the training exercise.
This initiative is a very good one for Guyana. I say that because the International Chemicals Agreement help countries like us to improve on our chemicals and waste management agenda. For a lot of developing countries, chemicals and waste agenda is not usually a significant priority. I'm grateful, however, for Guyana. It's always been on there's a strong political will for chemicals and waste agenda.
Delman Ned, Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Agriculture, noted with Guyana moving into the oil-producing sector, the workshop is timely.
With Guyana's newest sector, that is the oil and gas, the NIP update is quite a timely and fitting one. For we know that this sector will present its own challenges and bring to the Pesticides Board a new dimension for chemicals management. The Government of Guyana looks forward to the comprehensive national implementation plan that will be developed and trusts that our collaborations with our partners will be fruitful as we continue to strengthen and enhance chemicals management in our country.
Approximately 42 participants from different ministries and other organizations, including the Guyana Fire Service, will be participating in the two-day exercise. Reporting for InfoHub, Gavin Lewis.